Hello everybody. My name is Neha and I am so happy you could stop by to my channel. This is a very special event for me as it is my first hop and I am super excited to tell you that it is organized by me and my friend Jinal. So I welcome you all to this event to celebrate various mixed media artists from across the globe who have come together to create unique art. We wish to thank all our sponsors who have offered generous and exciting goodies to all the winners. There's nothing more special than being celebrated by the brands that you admire, right? A big shout out to all the supremely talented artists without whom the event would not have been possible. And also a big thank you to my partner in this hop, Jinal. Thanks, girl. So, as the theme suggests, down the memory lane, I was fascinated by the thought that it would be so amazing to share our beautiful memories with you all. So, I am here to share my childhood photos with you, which, by the way, are my favorites. Got my mother on work to dig into the albums of my parents with me and my sister, and told her to select all the photos which luckily were my favorites. So as per the rules, you have to like and subscribe to all the artists. Along with that, you have to comment your name and country. And you have to watch whole video from start to finish. If you follow all these rules, you can win exciting goodies from our sponsors. Yes, you have heard that right. 24 amazing sponsors. So I'm done talking. You can enjoy this process video, and if you have any questions or queries about this video or hop, you can comment in the section below. So till then, happy crafting. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.